Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to PC Gaming Pulse, where we dive into the latest and greatest in gaming tech. Today, I'm excited to share with you an incredible story of creativity and resourcefulness. You know how it is when you're trying to upgrade your home office setup, but space is literally at a premium? Yeah, that's what happened to our friend here. They joined the hardware team, and suddenly their tiny desk was besieged by all sorts of tech goodies. Upgrading desktop setups, however, only highlighted just how little space they had to play with, not to mention those Miku Hatsune figures taking up valuable real estate. But fear not, fellow gamers, because we've got a solution that's about as stealthy as a ninja. YouTuber Basically Homeless has created an incredible PC build hidden inside a chair. That's right. You read that right. A chair is the unlikely case for this desktop powerhouse. I mean, who needs a traditional PC setup when you can have a C7 Max premium ergo office chair from FlexiSpot? The tech creator sourced desktop-grade parts that are small enough to fit somewhere inside, like an AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D CPU, a low-profile Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, and 64 GB of DDR5 RAM. But here's the kicker. Instead of leaving this hefty hardware exposed, they spent months designing and 3D printing a bespoke housing for it. It's like a little home for your components, carefully crafted to fit snugly under the seat. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, you can even download the files from the creator's Patreon and build your own FlexiSpot C7 Max Stealth PC. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is either genius or completely impractical for most of us. But trust me when I say that this project is a masterclass in creativity and problem-solving. Even with its share of trials and tribulations, the PC chair eventually powers on fully, bringing warmth to our cold, gaming hearts. So, if you're looking for inspiration for your own small form-factor PC build, we've got just the guide for you. Check out our best Mini ITX motherboard selection, or take a look at that incredible 3D printed Palico PC case on display at Computex 2025. It's a real showstopper. That's all for today's episode of PC Gaming Pulse. If you liked this story, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with the latest gaming tech news and reviews. And if you've got any suggestions or ideas for future episodes, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep on gaming.